Hello and welcome to week 12 of Jory Caron Acquires a Taste for Persimmons. Yesterday was St. Patrick's Day. The day before St. Patrick's Day, I went into the grocery store and I saw amongst all of those typical orange persimmons, there was this green persimmon on there. It must be a slightly different variety. I'm willing to try different varieties, especially when it matches the color theme that we're going for. Let's give this a go. That is so completely different. I mean, it's still not good. This feels totally different too. It's almost like a tomato. My body also doesn't like this.
Jory's on a mission to acquire a taste for persimmons.
See you next week.